Hi everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Speaking of reports, subscribers, be sure to keep an eye on your inbox, as I have some names on my radar just for subscribers, just waiting for the right setups. Well, guys, this was the best start to a new trading week for us in a long time. If you watched last night's video, we covered Carvana up 16% today. Rivian unchanged but had a really good day, bounced off the lows. PRTYQ up 41%. ALPP up 40%. TTOO up 37%. PWM up 32%, GRRR up 27%, and FNGR Fingermotion up 22%. We also saw TRUP up 7% and AI up almost 4%. The market, right now, the shorts are getting squeezed, and I love it. At first, I didn't think we would get this type of move today. Markets opened flattish to down, and stocks had started to sell off, notably Rivian and Carvana. It looked like they had put a top in, but then at 10 a.m., the bulls stepped in and the shorts were forced to scramble. As I said last night on Carvana, it needed to get above $30, and once it does, it was going to run, and that it did. Carvana hit $34.59 today before closing at $34.27. Congrats again if you banked. You made even more money if you were long calls. Look at these gains. Carvana $30 calls were up 140%. $34 calls up 184% today. $35 calls up 175%. So again, big gains in the options market on Carvana. If you want to trade, if you want a broker that allows you to trade options, click that referral link in the description, and you can sign up using our referral link. Open an account with Webull, get up to 12 free stocks. After you open an account, and deposit at least $100. Other names that had a big day were PRTYQ. Plenty of opportunity today. Opened at 8 cents. As I said last night, trade it, don't open. Trade it, don't own it. Open at 8 cents, closed at 11.5 cents. So plenty of opportunities there. ALPP had news after the bell on Friday. This was a badly beaten up stock, as I said in last night's video. It made new 52-week lows on Friday. Like we had saw with Mullen, we can see strong bounces on some of these beaten up stocks. The stock opened at $2, ran all the way to $2.59, but it had dipped at the opening bell as low as $1.85 today. So there was plenty of opportunity in ALPP. Congratulations if you banked in any of these names. What I'm trying to do here, guys, is help you construct your watch list for each day. It all boils down to, are you watching the right stocks and then trading them profitably? I talk more about this in our free ebook, the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. So click that link in the description and sign up for this great trading resource. Again, it's completely free. TTOO gave us a buy signal last month at 0.054. It's right here. Guys, what I do is I use pivot points on TradingView. It comes in here and puts in the highs and the lows, and you can see where these pivot points are. These are the key numbers that you need to be watching. They tell you where the highs and lows are very, very clearly. And we all have our own trading style and strategy that works. For me, I'm looking to pick tops and bottoms and trade off those numbers. I know they say, oh, you shouldn't go try picking tops and bottoms. For me, it's the only strategy that works. I love it. It's what I focus on here. Breakouts, breakdowns. Some traders like to follow those strategies. For me, I'm looking to fade resistance and buy support, buy dips. So again, that's what I do. That's what works for me. And to each his own. Again, this is an educational resource here at insiderfinancial.com, completely free service. I'm just trying to give you strategies that work, and then it's up to you if it makes sense for you or not. PWM hit $30.92 after IPOing last week at $5. Just incredible. There will be more IPOs to play. There are a few more lined up. We will keep our subscribers updated, so make sure you sign up again. Again, guys, it's completely free, and it's the easiest way for us to keep you guys updated, as there's no time during the day to put together a video. It's much easier to shoot out a quick email or send out a quick text message out to you guys. GRRR rises again after its big contract with Egypt, which was announced on Thursday, closed up 27%. Just a great runner here, GRRR. Fingermotion, FNGR, this one just continues to run. It broke through trendline resistance. Really like this this price action in Fingermotion. But again, guys, still volume, just 1.6 million shares. Use a trailing stop, and this one has been a textbook. See, higher lows. So again, you can put a stop. It closed at 556. Today's low was 465. So you can put a stop loss underneath there if you are in since 250. We've been covering this one non-stop. You can go into the magnifying glass and type in any symbol that you can see here, and just type in and see what we've had to say about that particular name. So it's all right there on insiderfinancial.com. TRUP, I said about this one last night. It was green on a red day on Friday. 33% of the float is short. I've been talking about this one since last week, since $20. Again, closed at 27.36 after hitting 27.68. Closed just off the highs. Again, squeezing the shorts. Love seeing the shorts having to scramble. It's been a really tough small cap market. For those of you that you know what I'm talking about, you trade small caps, you trade penny stocks. It's just been a really tough market. The bears have been in control, the shorts have been in control, and finally we're starting to see that turn today. Let's hopefully this is the trend change, but it's certainly a great start to what we're looking for. AI creeping higher. Like I said, I think this one's about to test the highs. They keep buying the dips on this one, so that's a sign. I really like the price action. Again, if you're trading these names, you're watching these names, you know what I'm talking about. There's just a buyer in this name. I don't know if it's a short that's scrambling or what, but there's definitely a buyer in the market intraday, and that is a signal to me that this stock wants to go higher. Another big day for crypto miners. Last week was huge. WULF, big runner last week. 10% of the float is short. I said, guys, CEO, he bought stock at $1.37 back in April. It pays to watch insider buying. So we cover that here for our subscribers. So again, make sure you click that link, sign up, and get all of our reports on insider buying. CIFR up 15%, RIOT and CLSK, all crypto miners. So again, all continuing in the green. For Tuesday, I am also watching GDTC after hours action, talking about this one here. Big patience is paying off. Low float names are getting hot. I agree. It's GDC strong after hours with volume. Delayed reaction to U.S. patent grant news last week. Cancer treatment market cap just 40 million. Float 3.37 million. So again, getting some after hours action is going to be hitting a lot of trader scanners in the pre-market. So again, put this on your radar screen for tomorrow. BTTX news after the bell. Better Therapeutics receives FDA authorization for Asprex to treat adults with type 2 diabetes. First prescription digital behavioral therapeutic device delivering novel form of cognitive behavioral therapy via smartphone in a randomized controlled trial demonstrated clinically meaningful and statistically significant durable reductions in A1C. So we're also going to get a conference call and webcast tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. So pay attention to BTTX. Also, some short squeeze plays that back on my radar screen. FUBO, FUBU, 16% of the float is short, breaking above these pivot highs. Like the price action in this one, I've been talking about this one all around $1. It's finally breaking out. Been nice price action here. What you want to see when you're looking at these pivot points is you're looking for the clear support. So this told you that there was clear support at $1, ran all the way to $2.13, pulled back to $1.49. So we're getting higher pivot lows. So this is indeed a bullish sign. And then the pivot high was $2.30, took that out. Next resistance is $3.26. So that's what I'll be watching on FUBU. Fisker, FSR, 38% of the float is short. The company announced it'd be raising at least $300 million by issuing convertible notes to an institutional investor at a discount. Now, on the face of it, a lot of people saw that. Knee-jerk reaction was the sell-off, but the notes came at a 12% discount for the buyer and carry a 0% interest rate. The capital raise won't result in any interest payments for Fisker. The notes can be converted to common stock at the initial price of $7.80 per share. Given the stock, closed last week at $6 per share, that allows for 30% upside before there is any dilution to current shareholders. Also of interest is the fact that the institutional investor could opt to double its investment, bringing even more capital to Fisker. But what really has investors calm about the capital raise is simply the fact that Fisker is raising money even though it doesn't really need to at this time, and that is key. Take advantage of when it's not about whether the company wants to raise money or not. It's about can it, and this is very significant. The company recently began producing and delivering its first model, the Ocean SUV, and the company reported having $652.5 million of cash and equivalents on its balance sheet, while be making capital expenditures to expand its business, prepare to launch a second model. Fisker's use of a contract manufacturing partner gives it a capital light business model. So again, a lot to like here with Fisker. And lastly, guys, BKKT, 17% of the float is short. Shout out here to Trey's Mustache 3915. He said, bro, you should cover BKKT stock on the channel. They are owned by the NYSE with big money backing and are going to list FedNow crypto and will be added to major BTC ETFs. Back is also a short squeeze candidate. We agree here 100%. So thanks for commenting. Remember, please leave a comment. I read all comments and try to respond to everyone that makes sense. Remember this week, guys, Wednesday, 8:30 a.m., we have the CPI report. On Thursday, 8:30 a.m., we have the producer price report. And then Friday, big earnings day. We have notable companies to report include United Health Group, UNH, JP Morgan Chase, JPM, Wells Fargo, WFC, and Citigroup. So big banks reporting on Friday. That will be market-moving data. And again, for all of our watch lists and stocks that we cover, you can go to insiderfinancial.com and see it all there on the homepage. The symbols are all in the title of the article, so you can go and scroll and see which stocks we've covered and which ones are you're in or you're interested in. It's a great research service there for you. And to get all of our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, and AI stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups at insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Tuesday, everyone. Bye-bye.